So, first of all, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Arva, and I'm from the marketing team at Pragmatic. So, for many of you who may not know us, we are Pragmatic TechSoft, and we are a trusted name in the industry for over 16 years, specializing in Odoo solutions, and we've helped countless businesses streamline their operations. And today, we are here to address an industry that's amongst the most talked about, which is manufacturing, well, particularly process based manufacturing. So this is one of the most critical industries today because it's the backbone of industries like chemicals, pharmaceuticals, food, beverage, utilities. These sectors are basically very responsible for producing the essentials that we are relying on a day-to-day basis. So medicines, energy, water, and of course food. So here's the thing, process manufacturing is basically very complex. So unlike discrete manufacturing where you're just assembling individual parts, process manufacturing involves continuous production flows. There is like precise formulations and a lot of quality controls. So any error in the process can definitely lead to a lot of loss, wasted resources, and definitely there are safety issues involved. So I promise not to bore you. I'm just going to give you a very quick example. So say there's this company, Power Flow Utilities. They have landed a very huge order from a major client. And of course, it's a very exciting time for them. But this is what happens. The inventory system showed that there were a lot of raw materials, but the warehouse was half empty. Production had started, but machines were idle because there was nobody who had updated the workflow. The team finished the batch, they sent it to the QC, but the quality check didn't know, that team did not know that the designs have been changed. So they rejected the batch. So there was basically a lot of chaos. The shipping team also was not informed that they had to start shipping the goods. There was a lot of back and forth that basically happened, and the teams got frustrated and the client was on the verge of walking away. Now, this is not just a story. This is something that can happen to any business owner. And this happens when systems don't talk to each other. There's a lot of miscommunication, a lot of missing information, and disconnected workflows, which creates a chaos and it slows everything down. So here's the good news. We are into 2025, and now there are smart factories which are predicting changes, and they definitely respond to it before the problem actually occurs. And everybody is moving towards automation. So the businesses that will definitely adopt these tools and go in for something smart enough to adapt to their system and their business, definitely they are the ones who are going to move ahead. And that's where we decided that this is something that they really need to know the most important integrations for this particular industry, and we believe Odoo 18 has the correct solution. So just a very small question, how many of you are actually using an ERP system? So you can always drop it in the comments, or you can ping it to us, or whatever. We would love to know, what is the ERP system that you use? If yes, which one? If not, then why are you not using an ERP system? So there's one more thought, that how many hours do you think a team is wasting every day because of these miscommunications and lack of visibility? There's so much back and forth going on, and manufacturers are almost wasting, like there are 90% of manufacturers who are wasting such a lot of time manually updating everything, and of course it's a productivity killer. So the right tools can definitely turn these frustration moments into minutes of efficiency, and that's what we are here to talk about. On board we have Mansi Ramani. She is our tech expert today, and she's basically our development and functional whiz. She's the problem solver. She has helped countless manufacturing clients revamp their operations with smart tailored solutions, and she knows this industry very well, and that's why she's basically the go-to person for today's workshop. So Mansi, over to you. Please take over.
Sure, Arva. So, hello all. My name is Mansi Ramani, and I'm currently working as a technical team lead at Pragmatic TechSoft. I specialize in providing technical solutions, managing integration, and leading project related to the platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, or any third-party application. With a strong background in a software development and a team management, I work closely with the clients to deliver the customized solutions that align with their business goals. So I look forward to connecting connecting with all of you, exploring how we can work together to achieve the success. So thank you all of you. So let's start from here. So here you can see right now all of the persons are whatever persons are not using the currency Odoo or any smart manufacturing software or anything. So we have a list of issues are here like a disconnected system. So in that we can suppose I'll if we can imagine a food manufacturer producing a 5,000 bread pieces daily. They relied on a disconnected system and manual paper records to manage their production, inventory, and quality control. So this approach lead to significant challenges such as the delays in tracking expiration dates, inaccuracy, recording to the lot number, and inefficiency across to the production line. So this is just one example. Another example is suppose a custom process of the textile manufacturer. So let me share suppose a textile manufacturer, they faced a significant challenges in tracking of fabric patterns.
Hi, Mansi. I'm so sorry to interrupt, but I think the slide has not moved. Can you please just check your system?
Okay.
Thank you so
Is it,
much. Yeah, I guess
okay.
the earlier one. Yeah, I guess. Yeah,
Is it
great.
visible now?
Perfect. Thank
Okay.
you so much. Please continue.
Okay, sorry. So let me share an example of textile manufacturer. They faced significant challenges in tracking fabric patterns, colors, and allergen information due to the rigid system they were using. So the existing process lacked flexibility and integration, leading to the frequent error, production delays, and difficulty in maintaining compliances with the customer and regulatory requirements. So by using Odoo, how we can resolve all of the things that we will see. Third thing is quality and compliances, right? So are you looking for any smarter way to manufacture the any operations or anything, right? So in that way we can see right now a food manufacturer faced a lot of challenges, right? So because of what happened today and these days we need to provide a solution with the FDA and HACCP HACCP compliance standards. So, the lack of centralized quality control system lead to inefficiency, even a non-compliance risk and potential recalls due to the incomplete tracking of the food safety measures. Right. So, with Odoo, the manufacturer not only achieve full FTA and HACCP compliance, but also improved all of the efficiency and product quality, which ensuring the customer trust and satisfaction. Last thing is inventory management, which is a let's token manufacturer who struggle with the stock out or overstocking issue, right? So all due to the poor inventory tracking, stock outs leads to production delays and a missed customer deadlines. While overstocking is tied up to capital increase a storage cost. So this is the issue right now. Even with Odoo, the manufacturer eliminate the inefficiency, ensure the interpreted production and sufficiency, reduce the cost while meeting the customer demand on time. So what you need to do with a smarter manufacturing solution, which is a suppose with Odoo manufacturing, you get a comprehensive solution, a single platform that integrates the production, inventory, sales, logistic, and more. So say goodbye to scattered system and hello to streamlined operations, right? So it provides the real-time insights as well. So offering advanced reporting and analytics that empower data-driven decision. You will have a clear view of your production progress, inventory levels, and overall all the performance at a single time. So even the system is also flexible and customizable, making it easy to adapt your unique and unique manufacturing process. Whether you can handle a complex workflow or need to tailor the features, Odoo fits perfectly. And most important, it's a cost effective, designed to be affordable and scalable for your business with all of the size of business, right? So it will allow you to grow without worrying about a high operational cost. Even in short, Odoo is on all in one platform that is providing you the affordable, customizable platform which is optimized and scales your manufacturing needs. So here you can see we have a list of features which are very, very modern, and it is making a perfect manufacturing model. So here we can see list of features which is like a multi-level BOM creation, project linked with the manufacturing order, IoT integration, integrated quality check, interactive Gannett views, quality controls, advanced lot and serial number trackings, work center efficiency, dispatch system, even multi-step manufacturing, automated master production scheduler. All of the things we have available right now in this manufacturing module. So here we will see integration is the backbone of the modern manufacturing, right? So manufacturing is a business face unique business face unique challenges. So managing the production lines to maintaining accurate inventory and ensuring on-time deliveries. Odoo simplifies this complexity with the centralized, customizable platform, track the real-time production process, optimize workflows, and reduce cost with the automated process tailored to your needs, right? So you are scaling operations to refining existing process to ensure efficiency and precision at every step of everywhere, right? Yeah, so here we have a you can see integration one. So today we are going to show you five kind of integrations, which includes the manufacturing products and PM, which reduce the leading time, automated production, and minimize the waste. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare a one shot, right? Ever wonder how a simple shot is made? Let's take a quick look to the steps involving in turning raw materials into the shot you wear. Okay, so I'll take a simple example, which is first if you want to prepare any shot, so for that we need to go with the source the material. So sourcing the material, the process is start to sourcing the raw materials like cotton material or any kind of material that you need to take. Then after, if you are manufacturing your own fabric, then you need to go with the weaving of the fabric, right? Then you will dye with that particular material or fabric. Then after cut that those particular things, then shoe each and everything, each and every process we will see here. So I'm gonna share my screen and present you one video. So may I know is the screen is visible properly or not?
Yes, Mansi, it's visible.
Okay. So here you can see this Odoo dashboard, which provide you the list of apps as per your requirements. So here is a main app menu. From that you can get a list of apps, and I installed the apps like a discuss, a dashboard, invoicing, purchase, inventory, manufacturing, shop floor, quality, barcode, and employee. Even they are providing a list of settings, so that is also visible here. So yeah. So here is a manufacturing app. I'll click on that. So this is a main dashboard of the manufacturing app. Here you can see a list of items are shown, which are we will pronounce as a like a raw material or any sourcing material or components. So today we are gonna see how raw materials turning into a shirt, right? So those wall process we will follow through using this process. So we will use this kind of components like a bag or box, branded tags, buttons, decorative elements, lining fabric, and mean fabric, right? So even I prepared a one material which I want to manufacture. Even and rest of all products are used as a component or source materials. Right now, I don't have added any on-hand quantity on even not on a component or not at anywhere. So after the once I clicked on the main menu of production, there is a new menu which is another menu which is called the bill of material. And so based on that menu, you can prepare your own bill of material. So here I already prepared one bill of material, which is and that I want to prepare the short that we already know. So I select the short, then after quantity, quantity is one. For one quantity, produce the one quantity, how much components are required that I added over here, which are already mentioned over here. Then after which kind of operation we are gonna perform to produce this one shot, and so that we will see here. The list of operations are like a fabric inspection, then after fabric cutting, stitching. Once all things will stitching will done, we will attach the button and buttonhole. Then after one all finishing things will be done, we will see the finishing of the particular shot. Then we will check the quality and packing. So here, um, if I want to add any quality check to this particular operation, so how I'll add? So I'll just go back. So here you can see three dots are here. Once I clicked on that particular button, the new wizard will be open, and with this view you can prepare your own quality control or your own quality check. So while fabric inspection, I want to add is this particular fabric is usable to prepare a shirt or not. So I'll add a new title of it, then responsible person, which kind of quality check I want to add. We here Odoo is already providing a list of quality check type, which is right now you can see here, which is an instruction, take a picture, register, then after register production, print label, pass or fail, measure or spreadsheet. So based on your, if you want to add the measurement of your shots, you can add it over here. Then if you want to add any shot or any picture, you can choose the type, and based on that you can proceed. So here I'm choosing the pass or fail. Once I'll save, I'll go back, and here you can see under the instruction there is a one instruction is added is a quality check. Even you can set the duration and time, how much one operation will be taking the time. So this particular operation is taking a 10 minute of time. Then next is 6, 10, 2. So as per your requirement, you can set the timings. Then here is a new field which is we can see is a work center. So work center is like which operation we are gonna perform on a which shop floor or which center. So suppose if your industry have a different kind of department, so in that we are in the Odoo we can say it like a work center or anything like that to the different departments. So here I'm going to show you how to add new operations over here. I'm clicked on the add a line, and then after I'll add a operation. I was forgot to add ironing or pressing to the shot, right? So that is also one of the operations. So right now I'm adding that particular operation. I'll set the time. Yeah, then after I'll came back to these work centers. So here you can see list of work centers are already available, which is I already set it as a work center 1, 2, quality work center, or else quality center, packing center. So this kind of departments we have already available. So I'll choose work center 2 here. And once I'll save, a new operation will be added over here. So this all operations are like a drag and drop kind of thing available. So if you are forgot to add this particular operation at the end, so you can just drag and whatever place you want to place, you can place those things. And I'll save this. So this is a things is available in the bill of material. So here you can see a list of operations, and the BOM overview is already available. So yeah. So this is our first integration. So our second integration is like inventory and quality check, which means the practice automated replacement and the real-time how real-time shirt is manufactured. So I'm gonna share my screen again. So here you can see previously we was not added any kind of on-hand quantity, or we don't have any stock of the sourcing materials or any components. So here I'm gonna add one by one update the quantity of each and every component. I'm not adding any kind of quantity for a shirt that we want to manufacture. Okay, so here you can see all of the product have 100 units of on-hand quantity and shirt have a zero. So after the all of once I applied the on-hand quantity for the all of the products, then I'm going to prepare the manufacturing order. Under the operation menu, we have a one another menu which is called manufacturing order. Once you clicked on the new button, this view will be prepared. This view will be open. So here I'll choose whatever product I want to manufacture. So I'll choose the short right now. Once I'll choose the sort components and work orders will be operations, all of the operations will be added automatically. So I'm saving this process. So I want to manufacture right now the 5 quantity of shorts, so I update the quantity. So based on that, here you can see before that it was a like a one consumed one quantity of the main fabric, one quantity of lining fabric, 10 quantity of buttons. But once I'll add the 5 and clicked on the save, the components are also updated based on the requirement. So here on the header side, you can see we have a list of button which is like a produce all, plan, start, unreverse and cancel. So based on the planning, if you want to do the any kind of planning, you can click on the plan button and apply. You can plan. Then after, if you want to start your work center or operational process, then you have to click on the start. Once all things will be done, then you have to click on the produce all button. But in the middle of the process or at anywhere, if you want to reverse the process, in that case you have to click on the unreverse and running process. If you want to cancel this particular manufacturing order, you need to click on the cancel button. Then we have this two smart buttons, which is overview and a shop floor. The overview is mainly show you the overview of this wall manufacturing order, and shop floor is managing the all kind of work center on that particular flow. So I started the process, and once I clicked on the start button under the operation or work orders, here you can see list of all of the operations are aligned. So first operation is fabric inspection. So here you can see the ready button is already ready, status is already enabled. Sorry, set it. Then after, we have a smart start button. So once I clicked on the start button, the real-time duration is started. So to produce this 5 quantity of shirt, we need now 50 minutes of time. Okay, so right now timer is started, but if I want to pause or something like that, I don't want to start the process, or I need to pause this process. So we need to click on the pause button. So, and then after, we need to restart this process, because in this we added a quality control. Without quality check, we are not able to done this particular process. So again, I'll start this process. I'll go to the shop floor. Here you can see list of all orders are here. So here you can see main shop floor is here. Based on that, you can see fabric inspection is our current operation, and on that you can add the that we have already work center is available. Once I clicked on that, this is a work center place, and here we will check our done the inspection or will done the quality check. So here you can see the pause or play button. Once I clicked on that, quality check things will be came. So based on your inspection, you can done or any inspector will do the pass or fail. So right now I'll do the pass. Then after once I clicked on the mark is done, and this particular operation will be done, and this view will be invisible because these things are done from this particular shop floor. Okay, so this particular, suppose first operation is done within a 1 minute or 23 seconds. So right now I need to done this particular process. I clicked on the done. So as per the same as a previous, we need to go with the start and run process. So next operation is a fabric cutting operation, which is currently is in progress. Once you start your progress, status will be changed as a in progress, right? And you can run the operation when you don't have a quality check things. So as per the second operation, I done all of the operations here, and I directly go to the second last operation, which is a quality check. In that, I again added a quality checking things. I clicked on the start button, but if I'll directly try to click on the done button, they will give us a one invalid operation error. So we need to go with the shop floor and again to follow the same process as for the previous. So this is the main shop floor. You can see how much process are done. So any person or any inspection person or any director can see how much process are done from the when we are doing the manufacturing. So I'll go to the quality work sector. I'll check the quality and then the things like it is this particular thing is passed or failed. So I'll set mark is done, and then I'll done the things. Again, I'll repeat the same thing for the packaging. Done the process. So once all things will be done, we will check this particular shot have a is there any quantities available or not. Then after we will go for a produce. Even using these buttons, you can see this particular, if you are using a multiple location to pick the fabric or pick different kind of material from the different locations. So using this, you can see which component or which material is picked from which location. So this right now I choose all of the things from warehouse stock, how much quantity I took and what is the unit of measure. So this all things you can see here. Before I clicked on the produce, we will check the quantity of short. Is there any on-hand quantities are available? Is this short is available on our inventory or not? That we will check first. So there is a already we are seeing there is a zero quantity. So once I clicked on the produce all, the short is already manufactured. And our wall stock 5 quantity of stock are updated over here in the inventory. Even we have a traceability report, so from which location to which location products are gone. So all of the things we can see. So here you can see our whatever components we have from here to here. So those all are moved from warehouse stock location to production location. And once all production will be done of the short, at one short is manufactured, so it will move from production to warehouse stock in our stock. So this is a whole process of to manufacture, or this is a single level BOM right now. I already shown to you. But if you are managing your own, preparing your own fabric or on things, so you can manage the multi-level BOM as well. So it will be easify your whole process. You don't need to go to check where my stock is, where is the production reach, or each and everything is shown over here. Now, integration number three is e-commerce. How we will sell our product in on the website, or if you are getting your large number of order directly from website. Suppose and there is a 50 short order scheme from your Shopify or at any or any of your website. So how we will prepare the automatic manufacturing order. You are not selling right now your available stock, but as per their requirement, you are manufacturing the short, right? So how the new process will be managed, how automatic manufacturing order will be created, that we will see next. Hello.
Yes, Mansi.
Yeah. Are you trying to tell something?
No.
Okay. Okay, so now we will see how we will prepare the automatic manufacturing order, right? So as we already aware about the screen, right? I'll go and check the products. So here you can see we are already produced the 5 quantity of short, right? And whatever components we are already used, like a 95 5 bag or box, 5 unit of branded tags, 50 units of button, because I used 10 quantity for each shot. Right, so based on that, your stock will be removed from your component, and it will be updated based on your main product, which is a shot. So this is a short, and inside of the product, this is a Odoo view. We have a list of tab, which is general information. There you can set the price of the particular product, which kind of product you have, what is the tax on this particular product. All of the things that you can set on the under the general information. There is the next step is sales, where you can set the configuration of sales, then purchase and inventory. So right now we can see the two routes, replenishment on a order MTO, and another one is a manufactured. So I enable this too because I don't want to utilize this existing stock. I want to produce a new stock whenever I'll get the order from any online platform, or if I'll prepare the order by myself. So that's why I prepared this set those two routes. So here is a this is our website view. Once I clicked on the shop page will open. So I want to suppose someone is giving us a order of 5 quantity, a short order. So I'll choose the quantity 5, add to cart. I'll done the payment, pay with demo, and here you can see our sell order is prepared. So if I'll go to the orders, you can see our order number 3 is prepared already, and with the 5 quantity, right? So right now I'm not going to use to uh, whatever product or whatever quantity we have available. I'm going to show you if you are getting order from your online platform or any suppose it will came from WooCommerce or any website or at anywhere, right? So how we will manage. So right now we have a 5 quantity, you can see. Again, I'll go back to the order. And over here, you can see the two smart buttons are already seen, which is delivery and manufacturing, right? I clicked on the manufacturing order. So manufacturing order, as you already seen, I am not clicked at anywhere to prepare a manufacturing order by myself, right? It is an automated process based on the route configuration, right? I set at the route, whatever quantities came from order, online order, and those particular quantity is prepared automatically manufacturing order over here with the 5 quantity. Here you can see the 5 quantity. All things are same as previous one, but manufacturing is prepared automatically. That is the main thing. Now I produce all of the things, right? I follow the all same operation as per the previous. I'll start the process. I'll done the quality check based on the shop floor. I'll go to the shop floor. I'll done the quality check. I'll go back and complete all of the process one by one. Again, we have a quality control under the quality check functionality, operations. So I'll go to the quality check work center. I'll come here. I'll done the things. Mark is done. I'll go back and done. So here you can see previously we have a 5 quantity of short, but once I'll come after the production or manufacturing order, here you can see we have a 10 on hand quantity. So this is a thing you can see right now how we are managing all of the things from these e-commerce or any platform where you are selling your own products. Okay, so this is a thing. Now the integration number 4 is IoT integration with manufacturing order. So integration with IoT sorry, integration IoT with IoT and manufacturing order model is a like a seamless IoT device integration, right? So it will utilize to the Odoo to IoT model to connect a range of devices such as a sensor or any barcode scanners or any PLC you have directly to your manufacturing workflow. This enable automated data capture and minimize the manual intervention. So a real-time production monitoring also providing by IoT integration, which is a with IoT-enabled device monitor the production lines in a real time. Even you can track the machine performance and identify the bottlenecks and ensure the operations efficiency with the instance feedbacks from the connected devices. Even you can enhance the work center operation, like you can link to your IoT device to a specific work center or any operation. Right? For example, automate quality check using sensor or any streamlined material tracking with the barcode scanner and link to the manufacturing orders. Right? Even you can automated the repetitive tasks such as logging production data or triggering alert for your machine downtime. So it will helps you a lot to manufacture all of the things. Even it is a actionable insight from a for a decision making, like a real-time data collected through the IoT device to make a data-driven decision, improve your resource to utilization, and achieve a lean manufacturing goal. Even it is a future-proof manufacturing by introducing IoT with Odoo manufacturing business can transform traditional factories into a smart manufacturing hubs, staying ahead in a competitive market. So this is IoT features. And our last integration is a third-party integration, which is which we can connect our manufacturing model to the any like a Shopify, WooCommerce, any shipping things like FedEx, Zero, then after HubSpot, CRM, and many more third parties we have that you can see. So we will see how Shopify can connect with the manufacturing. So connecting the Shopify with manufacturing streamlines for order fulfillment and inventory management. It will helps you to sync your orders. Even it will give you the real-time inventory update as a production are made, Shopify inventory is updated, seamless shipping using the FedEx as I already mentioned. It will help you like a FedEx with the manufacturing ensure the smooth and efficient product delivery with this integration. So automate shipping labels are generated after the once production will be done. You can track the deliveries in real time, schedule the pickups aligned with the production timelines. Even you can optimize the shipping cost using the FedEx rate. So this all of the features are available with the third-party apps. So yeah, thank you all of you. If you have any questions, you can ask me.